I make this every summer. Here we go. Let's rock. On the grill. All right, I'm bringing my corn inside, and I have a surprise. I also have all of this. I love summer produce. Back to corn. I'm just cutting all my kernels off. Yes. Looks so yummy. Next, I've got some black beans. Add these in. I have 3 containers. Next, I have some black-eyed peas, 3. I'm dicing some peppers, red, green. I've got some diced tomatoes. Did this make me cry? Yes. Red onion. I'm adding 2 different types of peppers. These just give it a little something something. I'm using some pickled jalapenos. You could also use fresh, whatever you want. Last ingredient is some cilantro. This is really heavy. Now I'm just mixing this all together. Looks gorgeous. I gotta show you this up close. Just heaven. I cried so hard cutting those red onions, but it was worth it. This probably weighs as much as a 5-year-old. Very happy. We're almost done. This looks so small in comparison. Avocado oil. I'm an eyeballer. I did make a lot, so. I've got some rice vinegar. Pour that in. Limes. I want to try and juggle, but we can't. No. I love this contraption. He's totally smushed. And now just make it taste good. Salt, paprika, cumin, and a little sugar, but I always wondered, why does it not come in something? Like it's just chilling in there waiting to fall out. So I'll be careful, just a little bit. And now we whisk. This looks good. Yes, this is perfect. I just forgot the most important ingredient. Italian breath ruiner, duh. Now we're done and this is fantastic. And I don't want to make this bowl feel insecure, but Big Poppy's back in town. I mean, the size difference really is insane. I'm just pouring this right over top my Big Poppy bowl right here into everything. And now just give this a really good mix. Get everything integrated. Oh, look at all these gorgeous colors. Gorgeous! I'll show you one more time. Just stunning. This recipe was for 2 gallons. My whole family is getting together tomorrow and we're Italian, so there's way too many of us. So trust me, I need 2 gallons. And we're done. Now it's time to try it. This is some cowboy caviar with grilled corn. So good, so fresh. This is gonna be your favorite snack of summer. Trust me when I tell you. Now let's see how many of these I can fill up. This tastes better the longer that it sits. Quart number 1. Number 2, didn't even make a dent yet. 3, 4, 5, 6. The rest is for me to snack on. Here's my cowboy tower. I was able to make 7. I love these with chips, specifically the little scoopers. I didn't make this to get some lame scoop. We want a good scoop. One more time with the chip. Just so good.